Handheld gaming has seen a significant surge in popularity, especially after the introduction of the Steam Deck. As a result, various handheld devices have entered the market, catering to diverse preferences and budgets. Among the latest contenders are the Ayn Odin 2 Mini and the AYANEO Pocket S. Both aim to deliver a premium handheld gaming experience in a compact form factor. Let's dive into a detailed comparison to see which one stands out as the best mini handheld for 2024. The Ayn Odin 2 Mini is designed to offer a highly portable gaming experience. Weighing in at just 320 grams, it's 100 grams lighter than its predecessor, the original Odin 2. This reduction in weight makes it incredibly easy to carry around. The Odin 2 Mini features a 5-inch mini LED touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. This display promises superior image quality compared to the IPS LCD used in the original Odin 2, making it a significant upgrade. On the other hand, the AYANEO Pocket S comes in two variants, a 1080p model and a 1440p model. Both versions sport a 6-inch borderless IPS mirror screen, with the 1080p model having a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and the 1440p model boasting a higher resolution of 2560 by 1440. The 1080p model offers 368 ppi, while the 1440p model provides an impressive 490 ppi, ensuring sharp and vibrant visuals. Both models have a brightness of 400 nits and cover 120% of the sRGB color gamut, providing excellent color reproduction. In terms of build quality, the AYANEO Pocket S feels solid and premium, with its sleek design and borderless screen adding a modern touch. It weighs 350 grams, which is slightly heavier than the Odin 2 Mini but still light enough for comfortable handheld use. The Pocket S is available in Obsidian Black and Ice Soul White, matching the color options of the Odin 2 Mini. When it comes to performance, both handhelds are power-packed. The Ayn Odin 2 Mini is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor paired with an Adreno 740 GPU. It comes in two configurations: 8GB RAM with 128GB storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. Running on Android 13, it offers a smooth and responsive user experience, perfect for emulation and gaming. The AYANEO Pocket S is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon G3X Gen 2 CPU and the Qualcomm Adreno A32 GPU. It also comes with options of 12GB or 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and storage variants of 128GB UFS 3.1 or up to 1TB UFS 4.0. The Pocket S operates on Android 13 and features the Aya Space and Aya Home launchers, providing a user-friendly interface. Both devices have robust cooling systems. The Odin 2 Mini uses active cooling technology and supports quick charge for efficient charging on the go. Similarly, the Pocket S employs a vapor chamber combined with an active air cooling system, ensuring optimal performance during intense gaming sessions. The display is a critical factor for handheld gaming devices, and both the Odin 2 Mini and the AYANEO Pocket S deliver in this area. The Odin 2 Mini's 5-inch mini LED screen offers a crisp 1920 by 1080 resolution, promising vibrant colors and deep blacks. This mini LED technology sets it apart from many competitors and could make it one of the best choices for handheld gaming and emulation. The AYANEO Pocket S, however, ups the ante with its 6-inch borderless IPS mirror screen. The 1080p model already offers a high PPI of 368, but the 1440p model takes it further with 490 PPI, providing incredibly sharp and detailed visuals. The higher resolution and borderless design give the Pocket S an edge in terms of display quality, especially for those who prioritize screen clarity and immersive visuals. Battery life is crucial for handheld gaming devices. The Ayn Odin 2 Mini is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which is smaller than the 8000 mAh battery in the original Odin 2. While this might result in shorter playtimes, the device's active cooling and quick charge capabilities ensure you can get back to gaming quickly. The AYANEO Pocket S comes with a 6000 mAh battery, offering more playtime compared to the Odin 2 Mini. This larger battery, combined with efficient power management from the Snapdragon G3X Gen 2, ensures longer gaming sessions without frequent recharges. Both the Ayn Odin 2 Mini and the AYANEO Pocket S are excellent choices for handheld gaming in 2024. The Odin 2 Mini stands out for its portability, mini LED display, and affordable pricing. Meanwhile, the AYANEO Pocket S offers a superior display, a larger battery, and higher RAM options, making it a compelling choice for those seeking the best visual experience and longer playtimes. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your priorities. If you value a premium display and longer battery life, the AYANEO Pocket S is the way to go. If portability and cost-effectiveness are your main concerns, the Ayn Odin 2 Mini won't disappoint. Which one are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.